Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your condenser fan motor on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove our access panel here. It is held on by multiple 1/4-inch screws at the top. I'll lean my arm against it, remove the last one. Pull out on your access panel and set it to the side. Now that we have the panel removed, we have clear access to our condenser fan motor down here. Now, one of the most common symptoms with a bad condenser fan motor is if the unit is not cooling properly in the freezer because it is overheating, you may notice that the sides or the middle strips are extremely hot. This is all because of the condenser fan motor not running. This is supposed to cool down the compressor as well as help evaporate the water that collects down below from it going through defrost. Now, what you can do to test it is you can undo the wiring harness here and check for 120 volts. A lot of times I'll see where maybe the bearings are shot and it's really loud. These are both indications if you have 120 volts and it's not running or it is really loud, probably needs to be replaced. Taking this off is not the easiest thing because there are objects around it that can cut you. We have 3 bolts on the back and you have the fan blade on the front. What I recommend doing is gently start to slide the fan blade forward, okay? And what we're trying to do is prevent it from hitting this and busting any of the blades. So start to gently push it forward. There we go, I disconnected it. And just kind of pulling back on the plastic a little bit and maneuvering the blade out so we can set it to the side. You can do a good visual inspection on here. If one of these are broken or cracked, this will need to be replaced too, but this one's in good shape. So we'll reuse that in a minute. Now to take the motor off itself, like I said, you have 3 1/4-inch screws on the back. Be very careful when you're taking these out as these process stubs here are extremely sharp. So take the first one out here. Let's do the back one. We'll hold on to the motor, put some pressure with my thumb and remove the 3rd one. Pull on our screw here. This will give us a little room so we can disconnect the wiring harness a little easier if you have not done so already. Pull out on the old motor and set it to the side. When installing your new condenser fan motor, first we will put the motor in there. Next, we're going to bring it down to the bottom and reconnect our wiring harness prior to installing the motor. Now, we'll get it lined up. You will see where the holes are at, and you'll need to line up these lifted spots here in order to get it in there. I recommend using something magnetic because it is kind of pushing in to get it lined up. So we'll go through the plastic, get it lined up with the first screw hole. Just get it holding on here. Let's do the bottom one here. And finally, the one on the other end. Let's go ahead and tighten them up. Now when reusing and reinstalling your blade, you will have the side with the shaft here, then the flat side. Flat side is going to go out toward your condenser. The side with the shaft is going to go in onto the motor. So let's slide it in. You have to look in the other side to get it lined up. Once you have it here, start to pull it forward. Make sure it's on there good, give it a spin. Now we can reinstall the panel. When reinstalling your access panel, first we're going to make sure it goes around the water line over here. And then we're going to bring it down so that your back portion goes inside. Pull it up here and let's start to reinstall our screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.